Tipu Sultan. Now you have to understand this history about Lal Bagh. Okay, so right now, what dictates our economy is dollars, right?
Yes.
If dollar crashes, our economy crashes. When Tipu Sultan was ruling, at that time, it was plants. There was this two important clove, जो बोलते हैं clove को क्या वो लवंग ना, and nutmeg. These two spices were controlled by the Dutch East India Company. And they were growing these two spices in Indonesia. They were controlling Indonesia back then. And it was more expensive than gold at that time. It was
gold.
ruling the world economy at that time.
What year are you talking about?
It was during 1700s, okay? It was at the same time as Tipu Sultan. So
Okay.
during that time. The Dutch East India Company was so secretive about it. They did not want those saplings to go out, and they did not want it to become a common spice. So they burned down everything else. You could not see a clove and a nutmeg plant outside of Indonesia. So we have this French guy called Pierre Poivre. Now he is a brave and a courageous man. He smuggled into Indonesia. A plant pirate brought a lot of samplings, smuggled outside of Indonesia, went to Mauritius because you need that tropical climate to grow. And then he experimented with this plants that he had brought, saplings he had brought, and they were very successful. And suddenly it crashed. The price crashed. At that time, what happened was all these people, all the governments realized that they need to have a botanical garden. You never know, plant could be the next dollar, or spices could be the next dollar. It could be anything else, but you need to be prepared. Now Tipu Sultan saw this whole process and he said, we have a botanical garden here, now we need to bring in those exotic plants. So he wrote letters to Pierre Poivre, French horticulturist, saying that we will give you silk. Can you give us
These plants.
spices?
Plants,
So
plants.
a lot of these spices plants came to India, and a lot of Mysore silk went to all parts of the world. So that was a trading thing that happened. And that's why Tipu has brought in so many exotic plants which we will be seeing now here.